To let us sit faster, today we are going to do lava lamp. Sneak it out. Vinegar, vegetable oil, baking soda, water, glass like this, and a spoon. Food colorings. Come, let's start to do. We have to put the oil into the lamp. Out it. Easy.
Oh, it's easy.
Oh.
Very good.
We have to put the vinegar into the lamp. Whoa.
Wow. Now it's looking like a lava, Ashrith. Wow.
Wow, you just see the oil and the vinegar separated?
Oh, it's separated, Ashrith.
Oh, look
Yes.
at lava.
Oh. Yeah, Ashrith. Yes, we do see the vinegar and the oil got separated. Okay.
Now, let's add the colors. First green.
Okay, you're going to put green?
Yeah?
Okay. Okay. Then?
It's melted.
Okay. Do you see? The food color is dropping down.
Yeah. To the end of the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
Now, yellow.
Okay.
Come, let's mix it. Now, take the spoon and mix it. Wow. It's chunky one liquid.
Wow, it's looking pretty, Ashrith.
Yeah, it looks like a dark green.
Oh, it looks like a dark green?
Yeah. Then change to another color.
Wow, it's
inside?
looking pretty.
Inside look light green. Baking soda and water.
Okay, we need to mix baking soda and water.
Yeah. First, we have to put the baking soda into the water. And stir it. Oh, it looks white. Stir is done. Now, put in first all the colors mixed together. Oil is in the first layer. Vinegar is in the second layer. Now let's drop the baking powder. Whoa! Whoa! It's a lava lamp.
Wow!
Wow! It looks bubbly. Whoa. It's going to explode.
Do you see, Ashrith?
Yeah.
No, leave this. See how it's happening there.
Yeah, it's going to explode.
Wow! See the top, Ashrith, how it's looking now.
Whoa, it looks
What's that?
I can see it.
Wow! What's happening?
It's like a lava lamp.
Yeah, lava
It's looking good.
So this is the lava lamp. The lava, do you see here?
Yeah, it's like lava.
Yes. Wow. It's just awesome.
It's stopping.
Yeah, but stopping. Let's keep on going.
It's keep on going and it's going slowly.
Yes.
Come on, let's pour a little bit of this one.
Big.
Now let's pour the baking soda water. Oh, it's bubbling. It's really bubbling very fast.
How does it look?
Cool. It's going very fast.
Wow.
It's bubbling.
how it's bubbling, Ashrith?
It's bubbling like a big bubbles.
Okay.
And it's not tiny bubbles.
Yeah, do you see here?
Yeah.
What do you see here?
I can see it looks like a green juice.
Green juice. Okay.
Hope friends, I think you learned my videos. Please try this lava lamp in your home. If you like my video, give me thumbs up. Please share and subscribe my video. Bye.